Welcome to this quick guide on creating a poll in a WhatsApp community on PC with the latest update. If you've ever wanted to gather opinions from your group without a flood of messages, this feature makes it easy and organized. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer and sign in if needed. Navigate to the community you want to poll. This is where you want to collect input from members, so pick the right space to ensure responses stay relevant. Next, look for the attach icon in the message input area. It's the same familiar symbol you use to share files, but now it also gives you the option to create a poll. Click on attach, then choose poll from the options that appear. You'll be greeted with fields to fill out your poll. In the question field, type the main question you want everyone to answer. Keep it clear and concise so the responses are easy to interpret at a glance. For the options field, add each vote option you want people to choose from. You can include multiple choices to cover the spectrum of possible answers, and you can adjust the number of options as needed. Once your question and options are ready, review them to make sure they're stated precisely. When you're satisfied, click the send icon. Your poll is created and instantly visible to everyone in the selected community. Members can now vote directly within WhatsApp, and you'll see a live tally as responses come in. The poll feature is designed to streamline decision-making and reduce clutter in conversations. Instead of scrolling through pages of messages, you'll get a quick snapshot of preferences, which helps you make informed choices faster. A couple of quick tips. Keep questions neutral to avoid bias and consider offering a balanced set of options to encourage genuine feedback. If you need to run multiple polls, you can repeat the process for each new question, ensuring each poll remains separate and easy to analyze. That's all there is to it. You've got a clean, efficient way to gather opinions right from WhatsApp on PC, right within your community.